Well, and as the monsoon session of Parliament resumes tomorrow, all eyes are undoubtedly on whether the crucial GST bill passes the Rajya Sabha hurdle. And India Inc. will also be keenly watching the developments regarding GST tax bill. Here's a report.
From the team-meet reach out by Prime Minister to Congress President in November last year, to Finance Minister meeting leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha to get the Congress on board. Time is running out for the government to get political consensus on the 122nd amendment in the Constitution on GST.
बैठक हुई, बैठक में विचार विमर्श हुआ, क्योंकि ये एक प्रिलिमिनरी मीटिंग थी, तो ये तय हुआ है कि ये जो बातचीत का सिलसिला है, ये बातचीत के सिलसिले को जारी रखा जाएगा.
There are three major points of contention. While the government agrees on the first two, India INC, awaiting the GST, eagerly hopes for a compromise on the third demand.
Everybody realizes across parties, across people, that this is going to be beneficial for the nation. So I remain optimistic, and so does the entire business community, that we should get a GST soon.
While monsoon session is a crucial window to pass GST for the government, once introduced, it will create a unified tax system.
Road is challenging, but we are expecting the implementation of GST in the coming times, and most probably from April 17.
There were some teething issues which I believe now the main opposition party has come around and has agreed to revisit that issue which they have been raising about putting a ceiling on the maximum rate in the constitution bill. But once this happens, I believe the GST now will get through in the parliament, and this will be a major game changer for the Indian economy.
This monsoon session here at the parliament is time to deliver for the Modi government, especially on its promises for black money and also to get the opposition on board over the GST. Will it be able to meet its twin goal remains to be seen. With camera person Kuljit Singh, Divina Gupta for India Today.